Every year, millions of people suffer from lung disease, leading to 1/6 of all deaths worldwide. Doctors can't get the right information at the right time to properly treat these patients. That's not possible today because they rely on non-invasive methods that are inaccurate and unreliable, or on highly invasive methods. Deton is decoding lung health using our aerosol biopsy, a non-invasive, accurate, and reliable solution. When a patient coughs, our core platform, the cough collector, captures aerosol droplets originating in the lungs. These droplets are siphoned through a specifically designed nozzle that deposits them on a collection surface. This sample is easily integrated with standard workflows for sequencing and laboratory or point-of-care diagnostics. The total available markets in microbiome research, pneumonia, and cancer exceed $5 billion. By providing the right information at the right time, the aerosol biopsy is the key to disrupting today's treatment of lung disease.